Welcome friends. In this video tutorial we have to define response spectrum function. Response spectrum function is now a starting of dynamic analysis. Okay, let's start. For that we have to go define menu, function and response spectrum. In this, by default there is a one function is added which we have to delete, and now we have to add new function as per our Indian code. Add new function. In this we have to give the name 1893. Here seismic zone factor is 0.16, soil type is 2, and here function damping ratio is 0.05 generally for concrete structure. For steel structure it is 0.02 and for composite structure it is 0.03. In this case it is 0.05 and just hit on OK button. Now our response spectrum function is defined. Let's say OK. Now we have to add load cases. Firstly, we have to check all the load patterns that are introduced into load cases. How it is possible that? First go to define menu and then load patterns. Here are the load patterns: dead, live, ELX, ELY, wind load X and Y, and temperature. And here are the load cases. See, our load patterns are already added in load cases. Now we have to add new case, that is response spectrum case. In this case we have to rename it RSX. Load case type is response spectrum. Okay, here mass source is previously set. Here we have to add new function, acceleration. Here U1, here is IS1893. Generally some engineers do not select IS1893, they just remain as default uniform, but it's wrong. It is IS1893, and in this case scale factor we have to enter. Here for the scale factor there is a formula Ig/2R. Here our acceleration is mm/s². Therefore gravity acceleration, it means I into G/2 into R. Therefore I is importance factor, which is 1, multiplied by G. G is a gravity acceleration, which is 9810, divided by 2 divided by R. R is response reduction factor, which is 5. Therefore it is 981. 981 is the scale factor, but here now we have take it round figure as 1000. Okay. Thereafter modal load case is modal. This is CQC. This is SRSS, sum of root of sum of square. Here model damping is 0.05 and here also we have to enter 0.05. Okay. Okay, here our RSX is now selected. We have to add along RSY, along Y axis. Here RSY, here response spectrum, here we have to enter U2 and here 1000 and hit on OK. Just simple. We have to check all load patterns which are entered into load cases. We have to define response spectrum along X and Y axis. Now we have to define model cases.